Hey everybody, welcome back. Tim here at Jordan's. Today we're talking about blending. What is it and why does it need to be done? Here's an example of a vehicle having a door replaced and us blending a panel for color match. Blending is a normal process used in making sure the vehicle color matches all around. So we're replacing a door on this vehicle. We're going to paint that new door, and at the same time we are going to blend our color into the adjacent panel. That's going to ensure that when this job is complete, it looks like we were never here. It looks perfect. Here's the door that we're actually replacing on this vehicle behind me. This is a new outer panel that has been replaced on this vehicle. We will be refinishing this door inside and out, and then blending the adjacent panel, which is the right front fender on the vehicle behind me. This is the adjacent panel that has been prepped to be blended. We are actually cleaning this panel off of any debris and dust that's on it from our prep process. And what will happen is we will actually blend our color into this panel and then apply the shine, the polyurethane clear, back on to make this a uniform look like we were never here. Thanks for tuning in, everybody. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave them in the comments below, and we will see you later.